Hey, New Hampshire, let's talk a little bit about the forecast. I want to talk about the storm we saw coming for Tuesday and talk about kind of what's happened with it. Good news is not anything to sweat right now. Still going to be getting a tiny bit of snow for the southern part of the state. Let's also look at the rest of the week. And I want to remind you that if you're watching this on TikTok, that I'm on other social media platforms as well. If you're watching this on Facebook, you can find me there. You can find me on Instagram, and I also upload these all to YouTube. I'm also on Twitter, but I don't share the weather forecast there. It's more of, I'm there, but it's, whatever. For all of these, it's really easy to find me. All you have to look up is Weather Serena. WX is the shorthand for that, and it's Serena with a CY, so we couldn't make this much more confusing. But seriously, WXCYRENA, and you can find me. Let's talk about the weather. So checking out the forecast discussion here, you can find it at weather.gov. Dry conditions expected today with mild conditions and a weak ridge of high pressure overhead, which, yeah, it's like beautiful outside. It's like beautiful blue sky. It looks amazing out there. A weak low pressure system passes south of New England tonight. Yes, it does. And this is the one we were keeping our eye on. The good news is it's not going to get too terribly strong, and it's passing just a little too far away from us to really give us any huge impact. But a little snow for the south. We'll talk about that. A weak ridge axis passes through Tuesday night, and then a cold front passes through Wednesday night. We'll take a look at the weather graph and see what that's going to look like for the Monadnock region. High pressure builds in for the end of the week, and another system passes to our north late Friday into Saturday. And when they pass to our north, we're on the warm side. So it's going to bring warm air and rain in the south with rain or snow in the mountains. So this is how much snow we can expect to see Monday night into Tuesday morning. Nothing crazy. And this is probably going to start as rain actually too. So let's go to the weather graph and show you that. So for Monday, temperature probably close to the 50s. Should be a nice day. But then tonight we can see the rain starts to move in. It's going to be mostly rain, but it will change to snow. It looks like after the midnight hours, temperatures dropping down into the low 30s. And then they're picking up again close to probably 40 on Tuesday. But that's about it. And otherwise, a little off and on sprinkles and snow showers, but nothing crazy. Wednesday will warm back up into the mid 40s. You see the little cold front's going to come through. Slight chances of like some sprinkles and snow flurries with it. And then we're going to have a windy Thursday where the temperatures kind of struggle to reach 40. Friday in the 40s, Saturday, pushing 60, but you see the rain chances that come in here, and we also see the gusty winds that come with that low that's going to be passing to our north. Lastly, we'll just take a quick peek at the forecast models to talk about this rain and snow so you can see where you are in New England and see kind of what you can expect tonight. So we can watch the rain move in. This is around 5 p.m. We're just starting to see it enter southwest New Hampshire. Then as we step through, we see there's going to be mostly rain for the southern part of the state, but it does all change over just a little bit before midnight, right around 11 p.m., and then we can see the snow kind of diminishes after that. That's it. That's what we got. Let me know if you guys have questions. Post below, and I'm happy to answer them.